Hello everyone, it's Raj. In this video, I am going to unbox a Casio Enticer series analog watch which I bought from Amazon India. So, let's begin. So, I ordered this watch from a Casio authorized seller VRP Telematics on Amazon India. You can find the link for list of Casio authorized online sellers in the video description. The product is well packed. Let's take it out. On the product box, it says MRP 6595, but you can get it for around 4000 rupees. The watch is securely placed on a black foam pad and is covered with clear plastic film. You can also find the warranty card in the box and a price tag on the watch. The watch looks stunning and elegant. It has a silver dial with gold hands and are luminous. The dial also has 3 sub-dials for 24-hour display, date and day. We can adjust the watch by pulling out the crown. For time, turn the crown. For date and day, press and hold the appropriate push buttons. It's not that easy. The case looks stylish with gold bezel and is made of stainless steel. The case diameter is around 44 mm and thickness around 10 mm. The back of the case is also stainless steel and has some engraved information about the watch. The strap is also made of stainless steel and has a two-tone design with silver and gold links. The strap has a fold-over clasp with a push-button release. The strap width is around 20 mm and you can adjust the length by removing some links. The watch is powered by quartz movement and has an accuracy of plus or minus 20 seconds per month. It has a battery life of 3 years. The watch is also water resistant up to 50 meter, which means it can withstand splashes and rain, but not suitable for swimming or diving. Casio offers 2-year warranty for the product. Online buyers must register the product on Casio website to avail the warranty. You will also get 6 months additional warranty for registering it online. If you purchase a membership pack, it comes with a lot of perks like free pickup and delivery for service requests and more. If you have bought an expensive watch from Casio, I would definitely recommend getting the membership pack. I own a Casio ProTrek watch and the membership pack turned out to be really useful for me. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the product. It's a beautiful and classy watch that can suit any occasion. It has a high quality build, a reliable performance, and a reasonable price. I would recommend this to anyone who is looking for a classic analog watch under 5000 rupees. You can find all the useful links in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.